Hey, I'm Brooke, and I cannot wait to show this to you guys. So I recently have started loving cooking. So a lot of things are new to me altogether, but I am highly impressed with this Zulay Kitchen Rotary cheese grater. It's a lot more than that, which you'll find out in a second, but they sent this to me to show you, give you a quick review. And I'm floored at the quality, but you're gonna watch me use it for the first time, so I don't quite yet understand how good it is. What I'm gonna tell you first though is that when I say quality, this thing is a nice solid piece, but some neat aspects to it. So number one, if you flip down the dial here, I now literally cannot move this thing. Impressive to me. Everything, this is one of my favorite things about anything, every single removable part is actually dishwasher safe, so you don't have to hand wash things. It comes with 5 different blade sets. So it has your cheese grater, a small julienne, a large julienne, a slicer, and then a wavy slicer for things like carrots. It has all of your individual parts, again, are dishwasher safe. It has its own little storage container for all these blades that is slightly weighted itself. It's incredibly well thought out. I even reached back out to the company to say that their little manuals paper is even nice. So I'm gonna give this thing a try for the first time. Now remember, I am new to cooking in general. Let's start with the cucumbers. So the way that you put this together is as simple as, let's do just slicing. You place your top piece first, and then the bottom piece first, and click it in. So the bottom piece first and click it in, and then it's that easy to remove, just with your thumb pressure at the top and pop it back in. So then you're gonna slide that into the housing, and let me turn this around so you can see a little better. Put my suction back down. Pop in, this has a screw system, so I'm gonna pop that into the back and then just turn the white part to tighten that down. And now I have this nice sturdy piece. Make this easier so you can see. I cannot get over the level of suction there. So let's try a cucumber. Again, this is first go round for me, so if there's some user error here, that's gonna be on me. Well, that actually, to me, is pretty darn impressive. So that's a straight slice of a cucumber pretty quickly. Let's see what else we can show so that you have an idea. So how easy I can take this back apart. Pop that out. I'm gonna use my thumbs and take that off. Let's see, let's go into this wavy cutter, pop it in, pop it in, screw that back down. This is quite exciting for somebody that does not usually cook. Let's see if I can do 3 at the same time, just for the sake of saving time. Now you have to tell me from that side, am I getting wavy carrot sticks? That's pretty cute. All right, so that's another easy to use. Let's try the cheese and see, because I do have trouble with other graters and the cheese sliding out quickly. So I do know that if you spray your cheese grater with a little cooking spray, that sometimes that'll help it come out quick, but let's see, in general, we would expect it to stick some. Let's see how much sticking we get. So this is an aged cheddar. Let me not grate it over my carrots. And holy cow, that is a gorgeous shred. I'm impressed. By the way, there is, to get the last of it down without grating your knuckles into your dinner, pretty easy, slid right out of there. This thing, I think, is a huge win. So just got it, but absolutely loving it. Everything about it is quality. I'm highly impressed with this Zulay Rotary cheese grater.